Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I cannot put into words how much I love this beautiful fireplace from Innoflame. It brings my house a cozy, warm vibe through these cold winter days. I love how beautiful it looks at all hours of the day, but especially when I first wake up in the morning and it's dark outside and a little chilly in my house, I turn it on and stand in front of it for a while and feel the warmth from the heater and enjoy the look of the colorful flames. It's soothing and relaxing and brings a little joy to the start of my day. It's very easy to operate. All of the buttons are pretty self-explanatory and easy to use. Everything is adjustable and has so many different modes for you to choose from. And it comes with the remote so you can just sit in the comfort of your own couch and adjust the heating temperature, flame, and color. It comes with everything you need to install it and easy to read directions. My husband and I had it hung and ready to use in about half an hour. I am also pleasantly surprised at the amount of heat this produces. You can adjust the temperature and the blower speed. We have this by the front door, which is usually a little chilly in our home, and my whole family was surprised by how much warmer it is in that area. So if you're ready to add some beauty and warmth to these cold winter days, then I highly recommend this beautiful electric fireplace from Innoflame. And that's my point of view.